this week, this is hopefully going to be a less tired, less congested episode here. And we're finally finishing up on Mrs. Dude's 24 XP 1K. The cage is done with powder, roof is done with powder, and we got it sitting right here. So next up is the fun activity of putting a cage on a machine. If you haven't done it, it's usually a joy. Thankfully, we have Lou from F.A.R Off-Road, the builder of this cage. He's here, he's 8 feet tall, he's a bear of a man, and he's gonna really be able to help us get this thing on. Well, we haven't talked about it. Some of you guys saw it, but it's illusion pink is the color she's going with. That's cage, bead lock rings, and the factory bumper over here, also illusion pink. So it's gonna change the way this machine looks. It's gonna be sweet. Can't wait to see it in the sun. We'll make sure to get some shots in the sun when this is all together for you guys. I think that's it for now. We're just gonna get to put this thing on.
Yeah.
Step one of doing a cage, putting it on, to get rid of some of the settle from sitting here without a cage. Jacking it up in the middle helps out.
Keep going.
So that's what we're doing now, and then we'll set it on. But
Alright, let's try it there.
this machine doesn't seem to flex a whole lot.
Because I think it's all solid.
And we did mention it in the the winch video, that's what it was. But these are the gray plastics wrapped in vinyl. And then there's more here and here and here. Other thing we didn't mention is this came with the 4-point Sub-Zero Polaris harnesses, and she got herself a set of the retractable Click 6 harnesses. So that's gonna be going on with the cage. All right, dude, pick it up, toss it on there, man.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
You got this.
I would have had it on yesterday.
I know you would.
Still pivot.
Pivot. Pivot.
On the boxes.
Insert pivot.
Pivot. Okay, ballerina.
There ain't nothing left but to do it. Oh, shout out to you, Watch the Boys, to where we can go out here and do it.
Which way to go, this way?
Yep.
Sure.
I guess we're going this way.
What's my job?
Wow.
Video?
Yeah.
I should be helping. Jeremy should be videoing.
You know what? You want to grab that side?
Yeah.
Because you can walk around. There we go.
Get my strong hand.
Strong hand out.
Anybody know where to go?
Yeah. What are we coming up on? Do we need to come forward?
Yeah.
Hold on. Can we come on over?
Yeah.
Dave, what about your side? Let me see right here.
My side was too far over.
You walk your side.
Yeah, damn close, how are you, Jeremy?
Yeah.
I think it'll slide down.
Dude, scratch.
Alright, scratch.
Son of a bitch.
Hey, let's pull this off. Where's your 240? 240.
Yeah. What do you mean?
Because, like, what about?
Does it need to go back?
Yeah.
Did pull off more than mine.
Oh. Whoa, everything's snapped into place now.
Good.
Kinda. Pretty close.
Guys.
Watch your fingers.
I feel like fabricating these is one skill, but fucking manhandling it is
Yeah.
another skill.
Manhandle on it and not scratching this next fucking.
Got plastic.
Yeah, it's like my driveway. Ooh, dude, watch your fingers.
You got a good ratchet strap? We'll put a towel over here. We'll hook one side of the strap here, one side. Put it over here and hook it to the the other side of the ratchet strap and show it down.
Gotta get creative sometimes.
Do you have your pink ratchet strap?
I do. I forgot these doors open right here.
You're gonna have the latch thing.
Oh,
Do we even need a winch on any machine if we have Lou around?
you need a winch and Jesse around here.
Overall plan, start from the front, got those bolts started, moving towards the middle, gonna get those started, and then we can hit the rears. Obviously, when you got fresh powder, you don't want to use a normal persuasive tool like a hammer or a pry bar, so a little ratchet strap to help pull it down.
Maybe I'll just do mine with lose and think this is pretty cool.
It's,
I like this color.
It's loud. People are gonna know when they see Mrs. Dude.
See me rolling, they hating.
Dude, no one cares about your orange anymore. Everything's about pink.
Yeah.
It was probably hard to tell on camera, but I think I know a guy that can just flip a machine with his bare hands.
Oh!
Yeah.
I know what you're talking
Yeah.
Oh. I've seen this formation in the Mighty Ducks movie before. It's called the Flying V. Yeah, that's just like the movies.
Better.
There you go.
That side much, it's still awful over there.
Here, we can try to get these in. Because then naturally, I mean, we got the front, we got the rear, it should just pop it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? You feel me?
Where
Getting closer?
the deal there.
So we can confirm the Flying V worked.
It's a matter of getting the nut on the bottom.
Yeah. Thank you, Emilio Estevez.
You guys stink.
It's a hell of a formation, guys. Look at that.
Childhood movies are paying off.
Exactly.
Things dude has in dude's pocket.
Oh, that was a good.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're getting there. Oh yeah. Alright, where did I put that thing? Screw there. Right in front of my face hole.
Face hole.
Yep. It's just north of the asshole.
If we start those nuts and if we do get some weight here, we're pretty. Are these impact proof sockets, dude?
Yeah. There are.
Everything in here is OSHA approved.
I figured as much.
Factory spec.
Dude, you just don't have the same impact on the cage.
Can we,
You could do it, put your back into it. Don't mess with your back. But not too much.
Dude, I think you need to take another garlic pill.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
Get an ass.
Up.
Hey.
Where did I put them bolts?
Heyo!
Yeah, see,
Dude, I just got your bald spot from across the room.
yeah?
Yeah.
Great.
Look at that.
Oh, should have just slid around here.
Yeah, Lou makes a good point there. Pretty much any aftermarket cage isn't gonna just slide right on. your factory cage probably won't just slide right on if you take it off. That's a myth. If you start doing one, you gotta play with it sometimes. You might get in situations where it looks like it's just cannot fit. It'll fit. You just gotta work it. And then sometimes when you're close, using alignment punches like this work, where you can stick it in and kind of pry it down, get a bolt through. These work
Trained all my
wonders.
life for that. Just sticking it in and prying it out.
I don't know if you guys can see
You
him.
can't see.
Oh! Saw that.
Stick a fork in that one. Just needs the nuts.
Lot smoother with Lou here, that's for sure. Come on, dude.
What's the torque spec, 42?
Yeah, sounds good. That's
Spec.
factory.
Factory spec, dude.
Who's worried?
Nobody now. Yeah.
Oh, dude, you just factory spec the shit out of that.
Yeah. It's gonna crack off.
Jeez, Lord.
Yeah. It'll be alright.
I forgot to even mention that too. Here we are again, making a video on dude's birthday.
Happy birthday, Mr. President.
We did this last year. Now we're doing it this year, and that's the other,
2 years ago.
huh?
2 years ago.
Yeah, that's the other thing is we're almost 3 years on YouTube now, and together we've watched that bald spot get bigger and bigger.
No way, dude.
Yes, why? Smelled like factory spec to me.
Yep.
So everything's factory spec now. Now what? Bumper?
Send it the way it is. Looks like it's true already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who needs plastics, am I right?
Yep, there we go.
Yeah.
Dude, you just jamming it in there?
Yeah. It's got it sitting there. Oh, like this.
Dude! Come on!
Is it upside down?
Oh, thank God it was recording.
Perfect.
Factory spec.
Exactly. Oh man. It's starting to come together.
Is it?
Yeah.
Maybe. There's a great video out from someone Haggard of what I took apart.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should watch it and reference it.
And there's just a little bit in there.
Yeah.
There we go. Bueno.
Just like that, dude.
Yep.
Complete.
Done.
Fenders,
Just walk away.
grill.
What about it?
These are things you're missing. All these things. Speakers.
1/2 inch foam, dude.
Yeah, 1/2 inch.
Son of a beaver eating biscuit. Dude, do you have any clue what you're doing?
Where'd that go?
Under by the tire.
Yeah. I need to get this in there, but I don't remember how we took it out. No room.
Who's we? You got a turd in your pocket?
Kelly.
Did you take that out? Who's that?
Yeah.
You put
Who's
that
Kelly?
on before you put the fender on?
Let's see, now we got an old-fashioned race going on. Looks like Lou is now entering turn 2. Oh, back at the starting line. Lou's back at turn 2. And he is running furiously. Both contestants are at the finish line.
Got one.
Oh.
And
This is absolutely riveting.
I'm at the edge of my seat. Yeah, make sure that dart box is in there correctly, dude.
oh, the ride, you get the ride command plug through there?
Huh? Oh, no.
Yeah.
You ever forget? Happened to me.
So I'm sure if I don't say it, someone's gonna notice and ask, but she's got some seat covers on. She's doing everything she can to hide all the orange that was on this machine. Because she's married to this guy, she has no choice but to look at orange everything,
Yeah.
as you guys can probably see. And then in one of the most somewhat Haggard things I've ever seen in my life, think, you know, they were trying to visualize here what the shocks
Where'd your little cheater out?
or what the springs would look like if they were not orange. And
Twisty.
he wrapped them in electrical tape. And you can kind of see what they would look like if they were black. I don't know how long this will stay like this. I guess we'll find out how good is Harbor Freight electrical tape. It's an experiment. It's science.
That just makes no sense. I mean, it's just bullshit.
Obviously, this thing looks really cool. But in all reality, you know, we do think about some safety. We are very into OSHA. And that's the main thing. Yes, these look cool, but they make your machine a whole lot safer. Even if you don't do crazy shit, things happen, and you're a whole lot safer with something like this.
You just wanted to touch it.
It is very smooth. If you look at the factory cage, it's very tinny, and I don't know. I don't want to
And
trust.
ugly.
And ugly. But see, I'm saying
Sorry, I
it's
mean-
not just about looks. It's about safety.
Yes.
And you
We're
know,
all about safety.
we are. So I think that's going to be our next step here. Get this out in the sun.
Think so?
Get a good look at it. Yeah. I'm excited for this. Get it in the sun, and then we can
Are you
all,
excited for this, dude?
We can all take it in. He would be if it was orange.
Are you mad you didn't do illusion orange, dude?
I know someone that might do illusion orange.
I got time to do that when I got my Pro R.
Pat?
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
he's kind of rocking the orange shirt right
He
now.
knows what's good for him.
Get up in there.
Get it up there, Kelly.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's not one of our machines, Kelly. Come on. I'm sure it's been on a battery tender and all this shit.
Heated garage.
Heated garage, yeah. damn time.
As you guys can see, the Illusion Pink really pops in the sunlight. This thing looks freaking sweet.
It's really orange. It's the illusion that's making it look pink.
The illusion part of Illusion Pink. Maybe the new XP1K doesn't look terrible after all.
Yeah, this is
Hit up Far Off-Road.
Yeah, if you want your 2024 XP1K not looking terrible, hit up Lou. This guy will make it look cool.
Yeah.
And safe, because we're all about safety.
Yeah.
OSHA, factory specs, yada yada, blah blah blah.
And all Lou's information is in the description below of all the videos.
Hit him up, because yeah, she's looking f***ing mean.
Yeah.
Oh, rest of 2024. Send a screenshot that you're subscribed. 10% off. Cage, bumper, tree kickers, whatever.
You heard it here first, folks. Let them know who sent you.
Lou saw the creation here, the crazy color that Kelly picked.
He's
Mrs.
doing
Duke
crazy
picked,
things.
and it's making him do crazy things.
He's getting crazy.
You did that little promo. We needed the little squiggly guys in front of car places. I don't know.
Can you just do that a couple more times? Sail, sail. Sail, sail.
It makes me not hate the new ones.
Yeah,
It looks
That's what I'm
awesome.
saying.
it looks sharp.
I mean, I was pretty partial to mine, but this makes it look a hell of a lot better. Definitely.
Cool now.
Yeah. All right, speak your truth. For sake, dude. Come on.
All right, so Lou, Far Off Road, he just told you about his crazy deal for you guys. We have an announcement too. It's not really crazy, but it's something that could be a big help to us. We started a Patreon, so lot of feet pics from dude, especially of his big toe with no nail, and I think you guys will like it.
That's gonna make them want to join for sure. But okay.
We got the gout feet.
Yeah.
They got gout
Yeah,
foot.
and if you're into gout foot, we can hook you up too.
Yeah, we have two. I mean 4. My bad. We have 4 gouts.
Do you like half-naked, broken old men? Check out our Patreon. So what our Patreon will really be, at least starting now, because I don't really know what direction it's all gonna go, if it's even gonna work. Not sure, but we have it. It's a $3 membership, and that's gonna get you our videos ad-free and an uncensored version. When you watch our videos on YouTube, if I say, hey, f this, f that, f you, it's all beep, 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 beep. So we're gonna have the uncensored version on Patreon. We're gonna have your name or whatever you want to put in there. You know, it can come on the screen over here or over here, maybe like this. Not sure yet, gonna play around with that. But as a member, you get that too, so you can have whatever you want on there. So you'll also see stuff like this. When this happens, the patrons will get to see pictures, videos, whatever we have before it goes on YouTube, before it goes on the socials. There's going to be some stuff that's only on Patreon because of language. Maybe someone had an idea to do something. Maybe beer was involved. Stuff that Karens on YouTube, you know, bitch about. That stuff will be on Patreon. And I think for now, that's it. I'm open to expanding that, but we got to see how it goes. If you guys like this idea, if you join, you know, we can work on stuff, do Q&As, stuff like that. Really whatever you guys want. I don't think you're actually going to get pictures of dude's feet. I'm sorry to disappoint, but maybe we'll talk them into it. That's something that could potentially be big for us, so we're excited. If you're into that, check it out. It helps us as a channel grow. And if you're not into that and you just like to watch and like the videos and subscribe, we appreciate that too, because everything kind of helps. It's just that the Patreon thing helps more financially, because it's two expensive hobbies, side-by-sides and the whole off-roading thing and making videos. It all costs money, so that helps us out greatly. And that's gonna be it for this video. This is dude's cage. Looks sweet. Can't wait to see it driving around. There's still gonna be more coming for this machine. This is just some of it, so stay tuned, and we'll have more of that coming. And thank you guys so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, now checking out that Patreon. The link will be in the description below, and it's easy, patreon.com/somewhathaggard. And then also check out our G-Life UTV affiliate link. That's also in the description below. They carry a bunch of the top brands in the industry, parts for your side-by-side, because if you're like us, you probably break stuff and need to replace it. You can use code Haggard5 and save yourself a little coin on those parts. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Nice.
Nice.